Today, we're in my C63 507, and we're up in the mountains. We're gonna see if we can get sideways. We're gonna go drifting. So I just dropped $1,200 on these PS4S's. As you can see, I'm taking these off, picked up some good old Facebook Marketplace drift spares, and we're gonna have some fun today. That's one. I almost forgot. Need my Mercedes mechanic gloves for this. This is always the hard part. This video is just gonna be me struggling. Okay, so wheels on. That went perfect. Just gonna finish tightening this up. Luckily it stayed on. Good, we're still good. Dude, my new wheels, bro. Come on, man. Oh my God.
The white gloves on, you're Waluigi.
Okay, before this falls, and once more for good measure, make sure these stay on. All right, drift spares are on. We're good to go. See what this thing can do. Might as well start it off with the launch control out of here. Why not? Race start, paddle up to confirm. Oh yeah. Tires are just sliding around. It feels so swayy with these. Oh, I could have linked that. I could have linked that. Sick! Let's go, boys! That was smooth. I feel like I should stop talking because I sound surprised every time I do something good. Guys, I do this every day, okay? This is nothing. It's nothing. It's like 6/10, you know? I could bring it up, but I just don't feel it. They're still so loud. Okay, we did one run. I think these tires are too old and they're super, super loud. My theory is, if we do a burnout, they'll like re-break in and they'll be good as new. So let's do this. I guess we'll see. I think we're still kind of loud at the end there, but we'll see how it goes. It's still so loud. Dude.
Holy fuck.
So how's your day going? We're not going to talk about that. I thought I had that for a second. At first, the entry, I was like, oh, I fucked that up. And then I was like, oh, I caught it. And then I might have punched it a little too much. How'd that feel in the passenger seat?
That was pretty scary.
Slid out so easy there? Pretty good run. Nothing bad happened. Let's go. So today we learned 507 horsepower to the rear wheels with an open diff is easy to go sideways. And yeah, I had a blast. It was pretty easy to control. I'm not a professional and I kept it on the road. So, I mean, I am a professional, closed course, professional drivers. But yeah, that was awesome. So I'm glad to finally post a video like this. I've been waiting for someone, Chafin, to film a W204 and I got tired of waiting. So I had one, just got to get it done. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.